Hello folks, so in this video I'm going to cover how can we select a particular element from a vector or matrix. So let's create a vector first. Okay, so for the brevity purpose, let's write a comment here to select an element from a vector. Okay, so let's define a vector with the name vect here and p dot array and then the elements inside this array. Oh, sorry, vector. 6 3 4. Let us say we have 6 elements in here. Now I want to select a vector element which is present at the index first index. So please remember that the indexing in both vector and matrix starts from 0. So this is a index at 0 at the index we have element 4. The first index we have element 2, and the second index we have element 8. So let's see what will be the element present at first index. Okay, or if we want to select element present at first index, we need to give vect1 because it indexing starts from 0 here. So let's press shift enter, so you can see the element it is showing is 2, which is present at the first index. This is 0 index, this is first index, so that's why it returned 2 here. Now let's do the same stuff for a array. Okay, so select an element from an array. So let's use a previously created array. Okay, let me select this one only. Okay, so let's select an element which is present at first, which is present at this location. So this element is at location 0 0, this is at 0 1, this is 1 0, and this is 1 1, right? So 0th row, 0th column, because indexing starts from 0 here also. This is 0th row, first column. Okay, this is first row, 0th column, and this is first row, first column. Okay, so that's why we have chosen 1 1. So ideally it should return the value 7 here. So let's press shift enter, and you can see it returned 7 7, which is present at first row, first column. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. I will cover the next topics in upcoming videos, so keep on watching. Thank you.